Yeah. Magkano ba sa palengke ngayon? Palengke yun. Palengke yun? Sabi ko iba, 150 lang daw.
Baka depende.
O 190 daw sa kanila. 190 oh. Mas
Baka
malaki
sa baba, sa Marikina.
kung kukunin sisiyo pa lang, palalaki na lang. Magkano?
Yun ang hindi namin feel.
Ay, hindi nila ilalang. Eh, ito baka alam niya na pretty. Alam mo ba kung magkano ang CCU?
Opo. Ngayon po, magtatumingin po tayo sa mga kilala pa po. Anong manok? Ang sabi ko, ang sisiyo talaga siya.
Tapos ang dahil na pala natin yun, di ba?
35 pesos po.
Di ba naman natin yun, babe? Di ba naman natin yun? Ano yan? Yo.
Limang piso lang yun. Pag-swerte ka. Siguro din mo yun eh. Para sa mga manalo eh. Next year may pala bunutan sa sa simbahan.
Hindi sa school
May kusok
fair.
na agad, oh.
We can be in the foundation. We can be in the foundation. So guys, today we're gonna be playing this game called Bro, why am I doing this late? Why am I doing this late? I literally played it like 2 hours ago, like 3 hours ago, like at the time, it's literally 9. Why am I like that? Okay. So, why did I bring back in the freaking game? It's not me. It's not literally me. It's... I'm gonna move it. I literally played this like 10 minutes ago, man. It's I think you guys already played this one. I'm literally rich, bro. I'm just like I played that game like 2 or like 3 hours. Like, look what I grind, man. I don't know how did I get this from. The secret lucky block was literally a secret. It's not a gigantic lucky block. Okay. Let me call it the money. So, once like, wait, this is not the game. You know, like, an hour ago, like, bro, I posted a video, like, bruh. Okay. Why am I screaming at you guys? I'm sorry with you guys, bro. Sorry, bro. If your mom is there, I think. So guys, I'm gonna be I think I don't have time, like. So guys, today we're gonna be playing Raft Barbados. It said the admin abuse it's literally now, bro. So is it actually now or not, frick? Bruh. There's literally, is that even a number? Is that even a number? Is that even a number? There's like no space in it, bruh. The grande combinations lock in with the thing, man. Who the heck is gonna freaking ask, bro? I'm not gonna. If someone asks, I'm gonna find one of with that, bro. Like the second last video, a girl was asking for a brain note and he's literally freaking rich. Like, bro, there's literally a chance to me getting scammed. Bruh. Okay. I'm upgrade my speed or like my carry. I think there's zone. If they add a new zone, 5 is the max. I think you guys already played this before, right? Right. Get it a hole. Okay. What the heck? Bro, there's like a glitch. There's a chance to no clip to in the bathrooms. Okay. In just the common area. Because I thought it was flat. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. No. There's like a chance. I think when the game saw that it already got banned. It already got banned, bro. It already got freaking banned, man. I'm already at epic area and it shows me on the epic area. And that I'm in. Wait. I'm in the mythic area and shows me on the legendary area. That doesn't make freaking sense, bro. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Did I say that makes sense? I forgot it. What the heck was that? Okay. Wait. I'm still going fast. I'm like in 55 speed. Okay. Bro, okay. Have you guys played this before? I'm just wondering that. So. Okay. Who has a theory about digital circus? Oh my! No. Okay. Who has a theory about digital circus? Drax is gonna be abstracted on Chop in episode 9. Why is that Tungtung red? Is that a ready Tungtung din? Okay. What the hell? What? Frick. What the freaking mess? What the mega frick? What the hell? What the hell happened? You're not even holding a slap because you suck for your life, man. Stop the heck. Stop. I didn't even do anything, you freaking buffalo. Your name is even closer than Buffalo, man. You suck for your life, man. Bro, stop. What did I even do to you? What did I even do to you? Buffalo? Just freaking get out the map so you can die. Bro. I'm not gonna rage. I'm actually gonna freaking rage. What did I even freaking do? Actually gonna rage. Get out of the freaking thing. Buffalo man. Please subscribe, bro. Literally fighting with the bacon right now because frick this. Frick you, Buffalo. You actually suck, Buffalo. The Buffalo man. Is actually dumb. Yeah. I'm dodging. Still dodging, bro. Please subscribe, bro. We're not subscribed, bro. We're so close, like to like 99 subscriptions. Actual gun rage. Actual gun rage, bro. Actual gun rage. Actually, suck for your life. Suck the heck. I'm not even good. Yo, ooh, ooh, ooh. No way. I just dodged that way again. I got the. Why am I happy about the Celestial Tortuguini? I did not post a single Stella Brainrot video. What? I know it's not rare in Stella Brainrot, but I'm still happy if it's a Celestial in this game, bro. I don't know why. I don't know why, bro. I don't know why, bro. I'm not playing this, man. So, subscribe, please, bro. That's gonna be it for today. If you enjoy, like and subscribe. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed, bro. And I hope you guys are safe. Have a nice day. Stop! Bro, just stop asking!